So the learning curve with Sophi has been surprisingly smooth. The step-by-step guides made it easy to integrate into our workflow. The real-time feedback and customizable settings allowed me to fine-tune the system according to the needs of each surgery.
Sophi actually allows surgeons to select between different phacoemulsification settings, providing flexibility in how the energy is delivered. So in routine procedures, it offers efficiency, safety, and ease of use. In more challenging surgeries, its advanced features such as the more finely tuned power modulation, enhanced vacuum control, and real-time feedback allows for precise management of difficult cataract cases while minimizing risks.
After a bit of training, our nurses adapted to the Sophi quite well. They found that setting it up, maintaining it, even cleaning it is not much different from whatever they're used to now.